The liminal web is based on the generator function of what inspires together, wires together. If you hold a story that resonates, you will find the person that you need to talk to that these stories will meet each other. On the left, the blue node is the monologous node, and these red nodes are dialogous nodes, which just means these are people that you can talk to. If I click on the story, I will see all the people in that place. If I click on one of these people, I will see all the shared vocabulary that we have. So I will never see like a million random usernames. And I will also never see a monologous node in that context that I don't hold myself. If that would be you, I would see all the nodes that we have in common. So I can immediately see what vocabulary is available for the conversation. Stories, people.
That there's an implicit frontier or adjacent possible. The static and the growth edge are both available in that way of seeing things.
The same way I have like these monologous nodes about abstract stories, I also have a node about a friend, And it's like, oh, you really should talk to this person. Like if I tell you some story and it inspires you, either it inspires you to share an abstract story, or it inspires you to share a person that knows more about that.
There's a limit to the amount of intelligence that can be generated just by adding more neurons into the environment. Unstructured heaping of raw material on top of raw material has a very distinct limit, and it's probably a pretty low number, which is why we discovered the notion of quality. Right? Okay, it's not about how many synapses you have, it's which particular neurons are connected to which other particular neurons by these synapses. And so it's the continuous curation of the qualitative relationality is the thing that causes the explosion in intelligence given a finite, bounded resource.